If you've been researching healthcare careers, you've probably come across medical billing and coding. Some people call it one of the easiest ways to break into healthcare without touching a patient. Others say the field is overcrowded. You've probably seen advertisements claiming you can work from home, earn great money, and start a new career in just a few months. But how much of that is actually true? Is medical billing and coding still worth it in 2026? Can you really find remote work? How much do medical billers and coders actually make? And is this career being replaced by artificial intelligence? Today we're separating fact from fiction and breaking down everything you need to know about medical billing and coding. Let's get started. Information is key. Let's start with the basics. Although people often group these careers together, medical billing and medical coding are actually two different jobs. Medical coders review patient medical records and translate diagnoses, procedures, and treatments into standardized medical codes. Medical billers use those codes to prepare insurance claims, submit them to insurance companies, monitor payments, and resolve billing issues. Think of it like this. The medical coder creates the language. The medical biller uses that language to help healthcare providers get paid. Many professionals eventually learn both skills because employers often value employees who can perform both roles. Every time a patient visits a doctor, has surgery, receives lab work, or undergoes medical imaging, that information must be documented accurately. Insurance companies don't simply pay hospitals because someone received treatment. Everything must be coded correctly. Those codes determine how providers are reimbursed, what insurance covers, whether claims are approved, and how healthcare organizations track patient care. Without accurate coding and billing, hospitals, clinics, and physician offices would lose enormous amounts of money. That's why these professionals remain essential to healthcare. Let's focus on coding first. A medical coder reviews physician documentation. They identify diagnoses, procedures, treatments, medical supplies, and other healthcare services. They then assign standardized medical codes using nationally recognized coding systems. Accuracy is incredibly important. Efficiency also matters. A small mistake can delay insurance payments or create billing problems. Medical coders spend much of their day reviewing electronic medical records, researching documentation, and ensuring coding accuracy. It's detailed work that requires concentration and consistency. Now let's talk about billing. Once coding is complete, medical billers prepare insurance claims. They submit those claims electronically, monitor claim status, follow up on denied claims, communicate with insurance companies, review patient balances, and help resolve billing issues. Some positions also involve communicating with patients regarding insurance questions or payment options. Strong communication and organizational skills become very important in this role. This career isn't for everyone, but it's an excellent fit for certain personalities. Successful medical billers and coders usually enjoy organization, attention to detail, working independently, computer work, problem solving, research, consistency, and following established procedures. You don't need to love advanced mathematics. You don't need to enjoy blood or direct patient care in this field, but you do need patience and accuracy. If you're someone who notices small details others miss, this career could be a great match. One reason medical billing and coding remains popular is that it doesn't require medical school or nursing school. Many professionals complete certificate programs, diploma programs, associate degree programs, or specialized coding education. Many community colleges and technical schools offer medical billing and coding programs. Professional certifications are often more important than earning a bachelor's degree. Employers typically care about your coding knowledge, certifications, and ability to perform the job accurately. Let's talk about certifications. Several respected organizations offer coding certifications. Depending on your career goals, employers may prefer different credentials. Many coders continue earning additional certifications as they specialize in areas like hospital coding, physician coding, outpatient coding, inpatient coding, auditing, or compliance. Continuing education is common because healthcare regulations and coding guidelines change regularly. Now let's discuss salary. It is a key factor for many people entering the field. Entry-level medical billers and coders often earn between $40,000 and $55,000 annually. Experienced professionals commonly earn between $55,000 and $75,000. Specialized coders, auditors, coding managers, compliance specialists, and consultants often earn considerably more. Income depends on experience, certifications, employer, specialization, and geographic location. Remote positions can also vary depending on the organization. This is probably the biggest question. The answer is yes. Many medical billing and coding professionals work remotely from home. However, fully remote positions usually require experience. Most employers prefer experienced coders who can work independently with minimal supervision. Entry-level professionals often begin working on-site or in hybrid positions before transitioning into remote roles. Remote work is possible, but it's usually something you earn through experience. One of the biggest myths is that anyone can complete a short course and immediately find a high-paying remote job. That's simply not realistic. Let's look at the facts behind the advertisements. Like any profession, experience matters. Employers want people who understand medical terminology, insurance processes, coding accuracy, healthcare regulations, and electronic medical records. Education opens the door. Experience helps you build a successful career. Artificial intelligence is already helping automate parts of healthcare documentation. Some coding suggestions can now be generated automatically. Claims processing has become more efficient. But AI still struggles with complex medical documentation, unusual cases, and interpreting physician notes accurately. Human expertise remains essential to ensure coding accuracy and patient safety. Professionals who continue learning technology and coding updates will likely remain valuable for many years. Rather than replacing coders, AI is changing how they work. Medical billing and coding can open the door to many other healthcare careers. Some professionals become senior coders, coding auditors, compliance specialists, revenue cycle managers, health information managers, clinical documentation specialists, medical practice managers, healthcare consultants, or healthcare IT professionals. Many use coding as a stepping stone into broader healthcare administration careers. Let's quickly summarize the pros and cons of medical billing and coding. Some of the biggest advantages include shorter education compared to many healthcare careers, no direct patient care, remote work opportunities, stable healthcare industry, growing technology skills, professional certifications, clear advancement opportunities. Some challenges include high attention to detail, changing coding guidelines, insurance regulations, productivity expectations, and competition for entry-level remote positions. Understanding both sides helps you make an informed decision. So, is medical billing and coding worth it? For many people, yes, especially if you're looking for a healthcare career without direct patient care. It's a stable profession, offers opportunities for remote work, provides clear advancement paths, and allows you to enter healthcare without spending years in school. However, it's important to have realistic expectations. Success is earned. Success requires learning, practice, certifications, and experience. Like any career, it rewards those who continue developing their skills. Medical billing and coding isn't the perfect career for everyone. But for organized individuals who enjoy healthcare, computers, and problem solving, it can provide an excellent long-term career. Healthcare continues growing. Technology continues evolving. Insurance systems continue becoming more complex. That means professionals who understand healthcare documentation and reimbursement will continue playing an important role. If you're looking for an affordable way to enter the healthcare industry, medical billing and coding deserves serious consideration. Now I'd like to hear from you. Would you consider a career in medical billing and coding? Or are you interested in another healthcare career? Leave a comment below. And if you're interested in healthcare careers, finance careers, technology careers, skilled trades, salary breakdowns, and career advice, make sure you subscribe to Career Decode. Every week we break down real careers, real salaries, and real opportunities to help you choose the path that's right for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Career Decode is here for you.